In this video, I will guide you through the best and most reliable steps to fix Windows 11 update issues. These methods also work for Windows, and following them in proper sequence can resolve almost any update problem. Let's begin by repairing the operating system files and ensuring all essential components are working correctly. Start by opening the search bar and typing CMD when command prompt appears. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm the prompt, and once the administrator window opens, type the command sfc /scan now. This built-in tool scans all system files and automatically repairs any corruption that may block updates. Press enter and let the scan run. The process may take several minutes, depending on your system speed. You can minimize the window while it works and move on to the next step. Next, we will clean the software distribution download folder, which stores update files. Sometimes these files get corrupted and prevent Windows from updating Open File Explorer and go to the C drive. Open the Windows folder and scroll down until you find software distribution. Double-click the folder to open it. Now press Ctrl A to select all files, then press Shift Delete to remove them permanently. This gives Windows a fresh start by clearing old update data and allowing the system to download clean and updated files during the next update attempt. After that, we will refresh the Windows Update service itself. Open the Run dialog by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Run. Type services.msc and press Enter. A new window will open showing all system services. Scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic click Apply and OK. Then right-click the service and choose Stop. After a moment, right-click again and choose Start. Restarting the service helps Windows reinitialize its update process properly and fixes many hidden service-related issues. Now, return to the command prompt window and check that the system scan has completed. Once both the scan and the folder cleanup are finished, restart your computer. After the restart, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. In most cases, updates should now download and install without errors. These steps fix the majority of update errors by repairing system files, clearing corrupted data, and refreshing essential services. They are simple, safe, and effective for all users. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means a lot, and I look forward to helping you again in the next video.